Do you have sharp shooting pain down your leg? Possibly burning, tingling, numbness, weakness in the leg? Well, you might have sciatica. Sciatica is a very painful condition. I've had it before. It's a pinched nerve in our lower back. How does the nerve get pinched? Well, you can look here that you have these discs. These are cushions between the bones. Those discs can get inflamed, they can crack at the edges, and the jelly that's in the center of that disc can start to leak out. It can push forward, and that will then push up against the nerve. So the disc bulging, getting inflamed, that's what can pinch the nerve. When that happens, it's very painful. We've had patients, they've come in crying in those conditions, sometimes crawling into the office literally, and they're scared because their doctor has said they need surgery. And surgery for this condition isn't 100% guaranteed. There's lots of risks involved when you're working with the spinal cord, and there's risks of paralysis, etc. They don't want to take any risk, no matter how small that might be. So we have been very grateful to have spinal decompression technology in our offices over the last 10 years now. And it is the gold standard in treating disc problems in sciatica, pinched nerves like this. What spinal decompression does, it's a non-surgical way of decompressing the spine. You lie down very comfortably, we harness you in, and wherever the level is of the spine where the disc is bulging, we open that space up with a very gentle stretch. We start with 25% of your body weight, we move slowly up to 50% of the body weight, and that slowly allows that disc material that's bulging out, that jelly that's trying to push out from the cracked disc, it starts to get sucked back in from that negative vacuum pressure that's being created from this decompression or this stretch into that spine. The other thing that really we have found that optimizes the recovery and the healing is incorporating our class 4 lasers. Our class 4 lasers are really sophisticated red light therapy with 4 wavelengths specifically that are used to rebuild cellular tissue. So it's for healing the cells, literally, the nerve tissue, the disc tissue, and so forth. And so the body goes through a much quicker response in terms of inflammation. So inflammation comes down more quickly. Healing, repair happens a lot more quickly. So incorporating that alongside doing decompression has been a game changer. And that's our recipe here at Intelligent Health Group. We have a 3-step approach for care. We call it our IHE signature system. We help originally take you from the illness inflammation phase through stages of healing to greater health. The inflammation illness phase usually is all about reducing inflammation, which really incorporates that laser for sure, and getting pain down. The second phase is where we start to stabilize and get more lasting results. We create more flexibility in the area, strength around the area where we've repaired things, and then stabilizing it. At that time, we love using tools like horizontal therapy, which is a bioelectric therapy to help wake up those nerves, to get them reinvigorated and not have that pain down your leg anymore. So that's where we incorporate these other modalities as well. At the same time, of course, continuing along with the decompression. Then we've gotten the fix, so to speak. The body no longer has that intense pain like we had that patient that I can think of right away that came in literally crawling, thinking she was going for surgery. That's what her doctor told her. She stayed consistent with care with what we've just explained here. And now she is enjoying life. She's with her grandkids. She's playing with them, taking care of them, living an active lifestyle again, which she didn't think was possible when we first started. And that's what brings us great joy. And that's the type of things that one can expect when you're coming in for these things. There's no guarantee, but this is as good as guaranteed because we've had over a 90% success rate in helping people with sciatica improve, get better, and go back to their lives, the type of things that they want to do, and reach their goals, which is extremely satisfying for us. So if you haven't tried spinal decompression therapy to help resolve your sciatica, please call us. We would love to do a free consultation with you, understand what your problem is, and let you know if this is a good solution for you. Our phone number, 647-499-1444. Also, comment, consultation, and we would love to reach out to you. Look forward to serving you.